Now, if your Stiebel Eltron water heater is not working, well, there are a few things that you do here to fix this issue. So, the first thing that you want to do here is you may want to check power and you want to check the breakers. So start by going to your electrical panel here, make sure the breaker for the water heater is switched on and it hasn't tripped. Then check that the heater itself has power, and some units have a small display or lights that show they're powered. Now, also you want to verify water flow is actually sufficient. Now, many Stiebel Eltron units require a minimum water flow rate to activate the heating elements. Make sure cold water valves are open, filters aren't clogged, and you're getting steady flow. If flow is too low, the unit won't heat. Now, also, you want to check for error codes or reset features. Now, look at the front panel or display for any error codes here, like E1, E2, or something like that. So, if your unit has a reset button or a cover that must be pressed after an over temperature condition, use it cautiously here. Power off before pressing that button. Now, if it still isn't heating, the heating element, flow sensor, or temperature sensor could be failing. So these parts often cause no hot water issues when they malfunction. Now, you want to power off, wait, and then basically start. Now, disconnect the power to the unit. So turn the breaker off for at least like 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This helps reset internal electronics if the glitch occurred. After powering it on, check operation again. Now, if after all these steps or what you did before and you still have no power here and doesn't work, now it's time to call a licensed electrician or plumbing technician familiar with Stiebel Eltron units. So internal parts like control boards or elements may need replacement, and that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.